Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure. Today we're going to put mud guards, mud flaps on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. These are the TRD PRO extra wide mud guards that Toyota makes, and they should fit just fine. We have to do some drilling on the rear, but let's go ahead and get these installed and see how they look. These will also help with wider tires because they stick out about 1.5 inches on each side. More than the factory ones that kind of are narrow. So just keep that in mind, depending on your tire size. But let's do it. And here's a part number if you're looking for one. Alrighty, let's go. First thing I did was jack up the rear of the vehicle with my Badlands, my Harbor Freight Badlands off-road jack. Check those out. You can get them at the Harbor Freight website or at one of their stores. They run about $300, but they'll jack up cars like that are really lifted high. So, and it's a really heavy duty jack. It's heavy, you know, you don't want to just haul it around in the back of your 4Runner or Tacoma, but for stuff at home, it's great. So I jacked up the car first. Then in the back, we are going to have to drill a little hole for a push pin, but let's go ahead and get that going. Got to go ahead and clean this off, clean this surface. I got a couple of tools here in case I need them. I might need an awl. And I might need this right here. This is an awl, but I can twist it and make the hole bigger if I need to. This is going to go like that. Oh yeah, this is going to be cool. See how I like these. What we got going on right now is we're going to mark the holes where this goes. Get them pretty good.
Jack it up.
All right, folks, there you have the extra wide TRD Pro style mud flaps made by Toyota on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. They give, I mean, I've got a plus 25 offset and 275 17 tires. This gives me enough coverage to protect the paint. That's what I was after. So, you know, you should really look into these. If you're looking for coverage, they're a thicker plastic, not really a bendable rubber or anything like that, but they will protect the paint, the front and the back. And of course, they're Toyota made. They come with all the screws. I'm sweaty and dirty. They come with all the screws and hardware and push pins and good directions. Where I picked them up at Fred Anderson Toyota, they printed out installation directions for me, which was great, and that's what I used. And you know, that's all I got for today. I got some more stuff in boxes for this that are going to go on this week. Some stuff for the Tacoma coming, and you know, stay tuned. And be sure and like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. It'll just pop up on your feed. It's not annoying or anything. And you know, check out the links under the video in the description. You can look at the different things that I've done on these vehicles and order them for yourself off Amazon or eBay or the website of the company. And you know, that's all I got. So I will see you next time. See ya.